Share capital. What is the share capital? Share capital is the amount that is invested in the company by the owner. In a simple way, we can say that the company is a limited company, a private company, or it may be a public company. So in that case, there are so many shareholders, the owners who are investing in the business. So the money what they are investing in the business, that is called as the share capital. There are two types of share capitals. We have a common share capital, also called as the ordinary share capital, and the other one is the preferred share capital. So there are some differences. For example, with respect to the dividend, normally the common shares have a variable dividend. There is sometime more dividend, sometime less dividend, even sometime there is no dividend. But in the preferred shares, we have a fixed dividend which they have to pay in every circumstances, either profit or loss. The second thing is the cumulative. In the common shares, obviously there is no cumulative dividend, but in the preferred there is a cumulative dividend. Why? Because if you are unable to pay as a company in the 1 year, you have to pay next year for the 2 year. Then convertibility into the common shares or convertibility into the bonds. So common shares don't have any luxuries like that, but the preferred shares have option. They can convert the preferred shares to the common shares. Then redeemable. The common shares are normally not redeemable, but the preferred shares can be redeemable after a specific time period. Then the dissolution. At the time of the dissolution of the company, first of all, it is paid to the bondholders or the loans of the company. After that, it is paid to the preferred shareholders, and even after that something is left, it is paid to the common shareholders. So common shareholders are paid after the preferred shareholders. And the last one is the voting right. Yes, the common share have the power to vote, but the preferred shares don't have a voting right. I hope you have understood the concept. Kindly subscribe and share my channel, The Accounting Knowledge Hub. Thank you.